You know, if I were to pick a time to be outside, it would be, right now, temperature of 78 degrees. It actually feels like 81 degrees when you factor in the humidity. And take a look at that beautiful sunrise that's coming up. Now, there is a little bit of that heat index to talk about, so that is something to consider. Now, between now and about noon, the temperature is going to climb rather quickly. 92 degrees around noon, wind out of the east at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures in the mid 90s around 3. Temperatures are going to eventually drop into the upper 80s around 7. We have that heat advisory to the south and the air quality alert for high levels of pollution this afternoon. On top of that, we're looking at a storm risk. Not everyone sees this, but there is a marginal risk for severe weather. That's a level 1 out of 5. Up to quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts will be the main concern, with the isolated thunderstorms that do take shape later today. So this is Monday at noon. Notice we're not looking at anything on radar, but around 3, 4 in the afternoon, we'll start to see some development along where the front sets up. So this could very well shift a few counties. It's really important to have a way to look at radar, or make sure to keep tuning into our social media accounts this afternoon, because we'll keep you posted on this. But this will eventually move towards the southeast around 6, 7, 8. We're looking at a lot clearer conditions. Tomorrow, another potential for storms, especially towards the southwest. A slight risk exists there. Quarter-size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and the isolated tornado threat is there, but it is low. This comes in 2 rounds. The first one happens around noon along our northern counties. So we'll see that potential for a few thunderstorms to develop and move into the area. These storms kind of fizzle out in the afternoon, but then another round of storms does move in late Tuesday into Wednesday morning. This is Tuesday, stopping the clock at around 11 p.m. And then you'll see those storms kind of sweep through the region overnight. Of course, the timing for that can change. So make sure every day that you're checking back in, because we have daily rain chances. And that is through this weekend. We could accumulate anywhere between 2 to 4 inches of rain in some spots. So we're also considering a flood threat. We have temperatures that are then dropping into the mid 80s the next couple of days. That's thanks to the added rain and cloud cover. Of course, take it day by day, and that actually takes us through the end of the month. Stay